happy Monday. Welcome back to our channel. The kids are in school and this morning I woke up. Yesterday actually we finished our fast. So we completed 21 days, 3 weeks, no meat, no alcohol, no soda. So we completed our Daniel fast. And today I'm going to be going to Sam's Club to get some groceries because I had only been buying like vegan things. So we need a lot of stuff. Last week I didn't go grocery shopping because I just wanted to finish whatever I had in my fridge. So I could just finish it and like start fresh this week. So ahorita estoy viendo los cupones del Sam's Club. I wanted to go to either Sam's or Costco just to get some things I need in bulk, but I also need to go to the regular store. And they don't open Sam's and Costco hasta las 10 de la mañana. Ahorita son las 9:30, so I need to go and come back before it's Ezra's nap time. Ezra's nap time is a las 11, around 11:30. Pero también tengo muchas ganas de comerme una hamburguesa de In-N-Out. No he comido una hamburguesa, no he tomado soda. Ayer fuimos a ver la casa de mi hermana, tuvimos una carne asada. So I did have meat already and shrimp. Pero todo el ayuno, lo único que se me antojaba era una hamburguesa de In-N-Out. So creo que me voy a cumplir ese antojo ahora. And then the rest of the week we're gonna eat at home. But I'm like, that's a treat for me to completing this fast. But honestly, it feels good. I feel like I'm like renewed. It was an amazing experience. Definitely a little bit hard, but yeah, everything worth doing is hard. I also need to go to either Walmart or like Aldi's or something like that because I need to get Ezra's milk and a few like little other things. I don't want to spend too much money. We are budgeting, so we do like a Sam's or Costco run once a month and grocery shopping once a week. We try to stay under $150 a week. We are a family of 5, but Ezra is a little bit small, so we try to budget around $150 a week for groceries, and then do one Costco or Sam's Club run a month. So that's what we're doing because this year we're trying to save money. We have a lot of goals in mind and I'm really trying to stay focused on that. But let's go. Acá está el Ezra aquí afuera jugando. Hi, buddy. It's a car. Are you ready to go? Let's go. I think I'm gonna do a quick makeup look. Meanwhile, Ezra's playing right here in the front, just so I look a little bit put together. At least my eyebrows with these lashes, I feel like I don't need to put on too much makeup. If you guys want a tutorial on the eyelashes, let me know. Son estas. I can show you guys how I've been putting them on. Y me duran. I put these on Friday or Saturday. Today's Monday. And I shower and everything. But where is this? Where's my eyebrow thing? Okay, we're here at Sam's Club. Vamos a agarrar nuestro mandado, llegar a la casa y tengo que limpiar mi refri cuando llegamos. Let's go. Ezra's saying let's go. Let's go, Ezra. This is what we got so far. In Sam's Club no me gusta comprar muchos snacks because they don't have like a lot of options for Ezra. But I like to get more like my produce, milk, my favorite creamer, paper plates. These are for Emma and Noah. Taking some chicken Alfredo, croissants, salads, tuna, fruits. ¿Qué quieres? ¿Quieres más? Oh, we're all done? Yeah, let's go. We're all done. Alright, we made it to In-N-Out. It is about to be 11, so we're doing good on time. And Joseph called me while I'm here, so he's like, can you bring me some? So I'm like, okay. So he called me right in time, right before I was about to order. La línea está like not that long. It usually wraps around, so it's like not that long how it usually is. And Yeah, I've been craving it so much. Me está haciendo agua la boca just like thinking about the burger. ¿Qué, papi? ¿Quieres agua? Ven, aquí está tu vaso. Sí, tu agua. Se me durmió. Vamos a acostar. Ezra se quedó dormidito. He finally stays asleep when you transfer him from the car to the room. Before, siempre se me despertaba. As soon as I would turn off the car, he would wake up. As soon as I would open the door, he would wake up. Any little noise would wake him up, and I feel like now he's going into like deeper sleeps. So these last couple of times when he falls asleep in the car and I'm transferring him to the room, he actually stays asleep. So I just had the white noise turned on in the room as soon as I walked in, but he was knocked out and he's still asleep. So now I get to enjoy my meal. Ya creo que ya está todo frío. I ended up taking Joseph his food, but he was on a test drive, so I waited a little bit and I just put lullabies and Ezra fell asleep. Pero yeah, look at the cheese, it's all hard, but it's okay. I'm not a big fan of tomato and my burgers. I feel like it makes my burger, like I feel like I need the tomato in my burger, but I don't like tomato in my burger. I don't know if that makes sense. Like if I order without tomato, I feel like my burger doesn't look right. But it had too many tomatoes, so I took out one. Anyways, let's eat this. Good. I started eating my fries while I was waiting for Joseph to come get his food. Wow, I haven't had soda in 21 days. It's good. This burger is so delicious. It's worth waiting, you know? We're in the fridge. I haven't cleaned it in a good while, so it's probably like really bad. Voy a lavar la fruta que compré. Uso este de Trader Joe's. It's a fruit and vegetable wash. Me cuesta like $3 in Trader Joe's. Just put it in like a thing with water and put a little bit of this, and it like cleans out the fruit. But I'm gonna take out everything and then go in the fridge and then put everything back. I hate doing this, but it got to get done. I organized all my drinks up here: Coke Zero, Dr. Pepper, my energy drinks, my protein drinks. I have here a Lazy Susan, and I have all like my creamers, kind of like my coffee stuff here, milks right here, Kits, apple sauces and snacks over here. Now I'm gonna work on this area. I'm gonna take out all the vegetables because this is a hot mess. And then I have like cheeses and meats down there, but I already cleaned everything out. Now I'm gonna put the condiments. the fridge. It looks so good. Les enseño los cajones. Aquí puse like the stuff that's still in bags. And over here, I took out all the produce from the bags and just left it without anything. And then down here, we have our cheese, meat, bacon, and our salad bags, asparagus, tortillas. But it looks so good. Now it's time to pick up the kids from school. This is what I'm gonna give them for lunch. So when they come back, I'm just gonna heat this up in the oven. Avocado. Ok, es súper más tarde, son las 5:30, pero después de la escuela hoy llevar a Noah Taekwondo. Empezó hace 2 semanas. So he has it on Mondays and Wednesdays, so we go to Taekwondo. And I ended up taking lunch to Ezra. He had it there, pero ya regresamos, los bañé, and now they're having dinner. Pero yo me voy a hacer unos tacos gobernador, los camarones, vamos a poner chile, tomate y cebolla, butter, salsa inglesa. I think this is salsa inglesa, right? Pero aquí también estoy cociendo unos huevos para mañana. Quitamos las tortillas y el queso y así van a quedar. Estoy viendo esta receta de TikTok, pero están súper fácil de hacer. Nomás se guisa todo y después se echan adentro como las quesadillas. Pero vamos a hacerlos, van a quedar súper deliciosos. Y esto es lo que voy a hacer hoy porque ya estoy cansada. Después de esto, yo se no llega los lunes hasta como las 8:30 del trabajo. Se lo voy a dejar unos tacos ya hechos, ya nomás para calentárselos y ya. Se acabó, pero hay que prepararlos. Vamos a derretir poquita mantequilla. Ya tenemos aquí el chile, tomate y cebolla. Ya que esté derretido lo vamos a echar. Mira, si pudieran oler esto, huele tan delicioso. Voy a echar poquito aceite para las tortillas que se doren poquito. Y así van quedando los tacos. Nomás voy a dejar que se doren un poquito más. She's behind somewhere. Tengo la salsa pozolera de mi mamá. For the list.
No running in the kitchen. The butterface. Play Olehenriksen by Shakira. I need them caps. Right.
It is the hour where everyone calls cuckoo.
I need them.
I'm clocking out, girl. It is gonna be 7 and I'm tired. No iba a lavar los trastes porque estoy súper cansada. Pero dije, no, si no los lavo ahora, mañana I'm gonna regret it tomorrow if I don't wash the dishes today. I'm like, just like, 1, 2 por 3, and I did it. So, for like, I'm trying to every night just go to sleep with a clean kitchen, meaning just like countertops wiped down and the dishes at least. And in the morning, it feels so good to wake up to a clean kitchen. So I'm like, okay, at least the dishes and the countertops are like done. I'm exhausted today. I'm just waiting for Joseph to get home. But aquí les dejo este video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys soon.